When we removed the wall between the kitchen and the dining room, it was like letting the morning sun spill through the entire home. Ever wonder how the flow of light and the views from your window can completely transform a space? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into the view and light pathways and how they impacted the design of some of the most inspiring homes I've worked on. Welcome to Space Therapy, where we are working our way around the points of the room compass, LIFE, and we're discovering what it takes to create a home that's designed by life. We accommodate your lifestyle, that's the L, harmonize this with I, your home's interior flow, so that F, you get the feelings that you desire, even as we respect E, the exterior connections. In video 5, I introduced the 6 pathways shared by interior flow and exterior connections. View, light, people are the 3 primary pathways. Sound, smell, and touch are the secondary ones. Understanding this is vitally important to creating a home that feels right. These pathways are my initial focus in shaping and reshaping the new homes that I design and my clients' remodels. Before I start, take time to subscribe so you'll get updates on insights and key design principles for creating inspiring, functional designs as they are posted. I'd like to share a bit about my qualifications. The National Kitchen and Bath Association, or NKBA, credentials me as a certified master kitchen and bath designer. Beyond that, in their Art of the Industry competition, this kitchen was considered the best overall for North America. The Wall Street Journal featured another client's project in their mansion section. Design Journal holds their ADEX competition annually, awards for design excellence. It is considered the A&D community's largest prestigious competition. They gave the Platinum Award for Interior Design to a project in Kihei, Hawaii that I designed and oversaw remotely. The Space Therapy channel shares how the Design by Life process leads to the insights that are key to these awards and success. Please subscribe. Today I will be looking specifically at how view and light pathways affected the development of a design. When I sat down in the kitchen of this home, I noticed how little natural light came into the room. As I stood at the kitchen sink, it struck me. This home had so much potential, but the light was trapped in the corner of the kitchen, and the stunning hillside view, it was completely hidden. I knew the home was a 2-story home. I walked out onto their deck and saw the back of their home was a full wall. In other words, the second floor did not overhang the main floor. That's important. This meant I could relocate the header above the kitchen window. When a 2-story home is framed, the rim of the second floor platform often is placed on top of the first floor wall. Knowing this, I specified a new kitchen window, moving up the header, and replaced the rim joist and used special hangers to support the second floor. We left 4 inches of space above the header so a hood could exit. The result, not only do my clients enjoy more light, they now enjoy their hillside view. Following the view and light pathways in this same home, I noticed the large dining room window faced east and would enjoy the morning sun. When we removed the wall between the kitchen and dining room, it was like letting the morning sun spill through the entire home. We could even enjoy the deer outside. Here is the interior of another home in a forested setting. When I drove up, the western sun was hitting the front of the home. Yet when I went inside, not only was the sun's light completely absent, I had totally lost my sense of connection to the site. As it turned out, the wall at the end of the entry hall was hiding an elevated kitchen, which had a peek-through into the adjacent dining room and living room. Remembering my experience walking through the entry and having no connection to the site, I proposed opening up the home to views of the beautiful backyard by not only removing the wall between the kitchen and the entry, but also moving the kitchen across into the dining room. That location would also position the kitchen so that I could add a small west-facing window in the corner. Not only did this lead into a unique cabinetry configuration, the sun now peeks into the room through the later afternoon and evening. The connection to that beam of light elevates everyone's mood. You'll also notice one of my custom pull-out hoods. I do these hoods because they disappear in the context of a living room kitchen. This kitchen also illustrates the gathering zone we covered in video 3. Notice how inviting it is when wood is used where people sit to chat. Remember, wood is warm to the touch, quiet, and does not cause glare, and in fact it also lowers your blood pressure as you stroke it. Wood invites you to connect to it and each other. This bathroom had gorgeous Puget Sound water views, but they felt unreachable. Unfortunately, there was a sense of detachment from the pleasure of these views. The unused tub and an awkward step up to the window made enjoying the view difficult. Not only was the tub never used, but when I stepped up to get closer to the view, I hit my head on the beam. Right away, I knew that we had to get rid of those steps. More important than that, we needed to increase my client's connection to their view. I proposed removing the tub, adding windows, and wrapping the vanity around the view wall under these new windows. The result was a total transformation. Not only does the couple fully enjoy their water views while using their vanity, the circular shower invites them to enjoy their connection to the water as well. That circular shape gives room for two bathers, surrounding them with views and light. I hope this video inspires you to embrace view and light pathways as one of the best keys to unlocking transformations that look great, work well, and inspire joy. When you subscribe to the Space Therapy channel, we will keep giving you clues as to what to look for when you want a harmonious home that's designed by LIFE, Life.